Hey gang, welcome back to OPA'S Diecast Restoration. Today we've got my first Majorette, made in France. It's a Toyota 4x4. Rather beat up, got a lot of clay worn chips and garbage stuck on it. Before we get started though, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, I would greatly appreciate you hit that subscribe button. I got more to come. This one was held on by 2 rivets in the back, and the front was gripped into the bumper or whatever you want to call it. I apologize ahead of time. I had poor lighting on this day, but I am working around those problems. I'm learning a new camera angle, so I apologize for some of the poor filming. This one had what appeared to be a load of lumber in the back that I detailed up later. I don't know who makes these stickers, but man, they were a son of a gun to come off. After I pulled it out of the stripper, they were still stuck on, and there was paint underneath of them. I decided to add some more of my own detail into this little casting. I know you can't see it very well, but I'm drilling a hole on the passenger side fender for a new antenna. Here's some of that poor filming. I drilling some holes in the sides of the door to put in my own version of the rear view mirrors, side mirrors I should say. At first I was going to use this epoxy putty and make my side mirrors, but the more I looked at it, I changed my mind, added 2 more holes to the top of the door frame, and added these side mirrors, or at least the mounts for the side mirrors. These are the ones I went with, the big boy. Get all of our internal plastic pieces in the hot soapy water. Feel free to skip ahead. I went a little long-winded on the scrubbing of the pieces. Windscreen was in very good condition. Primer on it. I almost bought one of these trucks when they came out, but I couldn't bear to lose my credibility in the Ford society. When I understand they were pretty rugged little vehicles. Went with the royal blue pearl. Dip that windshield. Making sure to blot it off. Get it covered, set aside, keep the dust off of it. Here's all of our pieces ready for reassembly. Here's what we started with, gang. Worn out, beat to hell, bent, Majorette Toyota 4x4. Here's what we ended up with. I added in extra detail. I got KC lights at the top of the roll bar, side mirrors, and an antenna. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. Sorry for the poor lighting. For now, this is OPA'S saying goodbye.